going on YouTube? Marty here from Catcher. Something a bit different, not fishing related today, but camping related. So we've recently just been working on setting up a rooftop tent on a trailer and a 6-man annex, so the whole family can go camping and enjoy it. And I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour. Abby's going to tour you through the inside.
Just admire how much room is in here. It's just amazing.
Where are you going to sleep, Abs?
I'm going to sleep all the way up there. We'll give you a view of that.
Yeah.
I'm going to sleep all the way
I'll
up
lift
there
it up.
too.
So Abby and Lily are apparently sleeping all the way up there, up in the roof. So in our planning, we've got to be mindful that we want to be able to basically
Just reach through.
do this, okay?
Oh my gosh.
Esky, right on the other side. Perfect. So she's going to climb up and give you the upstairs view. So again, just how awesome this is. So it's 2.1 meters from the ground to the top of the trailer there, which is apparently the height that it should be, and it seems to work out pretty well. I wasn't quite sure on it, but it does work really well. Yep, I'll pass out the camera, Abs.
Yep.
Alright.
There we go. Got the view. We can, maybe not. We can have a look out this window. Well, how do I open this? Fly wire. Oh yes, here we go. I'm gonna give you a little view of the side. Ready?
That'll do, yeah.
That's the view. Wow. Very high up.
Alright, champions. So, just a little bit more detail on this trailer setup. As you can tell, okay, rooftop tent on top. The idea is we're going to put some solar panels on the front, basically a battery box, some 12-volt power, lights, fridge, you know, all those mod cons that the kids love. We're going to, on this side, put a 270-degree awning on, so it'll swing right out around here and across the front of the trailer. I've got to add a bit more to it, bracing wise and whatnot. On this side where this 270-degree awning is going to be, I want to build like a drop-down table through here so that it just sort of folds down and I end up with this nice flat workspace here. I enjoy the idea of being able to reach from the tent to the fridge or to any of our camping material, I suppose. You know, maybe I'll just be mindful of using that area as a perfect spot to store things, especially when it's like pack up time. We can just open up the back of the tent, throw our stuff straight back into the trailer, so that might be a good idea. As you can see, the kayak's been in it, and I recently just got back from a couple of night trip to the Loddon. You should have seen that video by now. And took this whole setup, took the kayak, and it works really well. What else can I tell you about it? Not much, but every time I do a little bit more to it, I'll keep you updated, and we'll go from there. All right.